Guys, there was some explosion at my apartment, and now I can't come in to my apartment. I'm gonna cover the explosion though. I'm gonna be like the eyewitness news of the situation. Update, I think they're evacuating the apartment complex, but I found another elevator, and I'm very close to my apartment. Hey guys, this is my first reaction. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. There was the explosion, you can see the glass. Oh my God. This is brutal. No. Dude, look how quick the news team came out. I forgot to give an update. Cool new hat. The restaurant underneath us like blew up for some reason, and the restaurant's been out of business for 2 weeks now, so everything's good. No, I don't think anyone got hurt. I'm not sure. Guys, swipe up for that merch. Look how dope that sign looks. Look how adorable that merch looks.
I'll buy some more shrimps.
Jonah, what are you even saying? Oh my God, guys, it's Guru from Despicable Me.
Gonna be right.
Can everybody point me to the nearest, I don't know, where would a guy like this go? Zoomies. Hey, Scott, I heard your new song. Kinda sucked. Yeah. Hey, you that guy dating Todd?
I'm not a guy.
Just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home.